Now, activity 4, that is a water dance part 2, as I have explained in the points. So here we are going to learn about clouds and storm. So, I am the mist in thousands of shapes. I reappear high above the earth in blue sky. I float, I drift, I am the clouds. So, as you have seen the clouds in the sky, it is on the thousands of shapes and it is reappearing high above the earth in the sky. Now, next, carried by winds from distant seas, I move, growing heavier, growing darker, returning, I am the storm front. And now, this is the form of water which is by the winds and which is from the seas and which is growing heavier and darker and returning. Next, at the walls of the mountains, I rise up as gleaming power-filled towers in the darkened sky, so I am the thunderhead. Now, I blind the sky with lightning, the earth trembles with my thunder, I rage, I drench the mountainside, I am the storm. So, as you have already seen, it is from the sky. Next, storms come, storms pass, I am countless droplets of rain, left floating in the silent air. I reflect all the colors of sunlight. So, it is like a rainbow. So, now I am the rainbow, I am one thing and I am many things. I am water. So, this is my dance through our world, Thomas Locker. So, now it is like a rainbow and it is about the one thing and many thing means it is about the description of water in the many forms of. Now, it is like a dance written by Thomas Locker. So, now we are going to learn about glossary. So, please say in the book, Cascade. So, what do you mean by actually cascade? It is like a waterfall coming in the series. Next, spiraling. Spiraling means anything which is in the form of cone shape, that is spiraling. Now, plunging, as I have already discussed, plunging means throwing forcefully and diving. Tumble means something rolling. Drawn. Drawn means pulled out towards something. Palisades. Palisades means what? Like a fence of pointed stakes or sticks means the end point of a stick. Next is creek. Creek means arm of a river. You can learn any one. Now drench. Drench means that is wet thoroughly. Mist. Mist means what? Very fine droplets of water that is forming toward a cloud near the ground. Storm front. That is like a mass of air which brings a storm. Thunderhead. It is like a part of a large cloud often appears before a thunderstorm. In this glossary, this last one you have to learn the full, not one. Now moving to your next activity, that is 5. Explain I am one thing, I am many things. So, after watching this video, you can go through this answer. That is the different forms of water. You can write in your own words. Next. Activity 6, that is identify me from my description. Choose from the bracket. So this already I have explained in the poem. So you have to write. Now first one, I don't speak much but I am everywhere. Second, I shine bright at night. Third, I look threatening. Fourth, I am a welcome pleasure. Last one, I am lot yet little water. Now activity 7. So this is one type of personification, means this is one type of figure of speech. Like, what do you mean by personification? So, inanimate objects are spoken as of having life or given human quality. Means, when a non-living object are given a human quality, that is a personification. So, example, I tumble down. Tumble is in the form of human being. So, here it is given in the form of water. So, it is one personification. Now, identify the lines in the poem. Next, activity 8. So, here adjective. Adjective means what? It is a describing words that is giving the more meaning to a noun. So, give 5 adjectives you would associate with the following word. The first one is there, mother. So, mother means what? Loving mother, gentle mother, strict mother, good mother, working mother. Now, these 5 words are given over here, like friend. Friend means good friend, working friend, loving friend, gentle friend, and now these all words you have to write the adjective. Next, activity 9, this is very simple. You have to just put the ER. Whenever we are putting ER to any noun or adjective, that is a comparative adjective. Like example, heavy. whenever you are writing heavier means after removing Y, we have to use IER. That is heavy, heavier. Dark, darker. Broad, broader. Now, use different comparative adjective to form sentence of your own like this. You can go through this poem also. Next. Now this is very important. Our country is blessed with varied landscapes. So our country is having a different forms of landscape. Like India has mountains, valleys, waterfalls, deserts, rivers and lake. So you have to write a paragraph describing your favorite landscape.